Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Fiat 500 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a plastic trim removal kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. You will then find 2 screws underneath. Remove these to proceed with the next steps. Next, look inside the door handle recess. There's usually one more screw to remove there. After that, take your plastic trim tool and begin to gently pry around the outer edge of the door panel. You'll hear the plastic clips disengaging as you go. Be patient and work your way around the entire perimeter to ensure all clips are released without damage. With all the clips released, the panel should now be loose. Gently lift the entire door panel straight upwards to clear it from the window channel. There might be a few more electrical connectors for speakers or lights, and the door release cable that need to be disconnected. Once everything is free, carefully place the panel in a safe spot, perhaps on a soft cloth. To reinstall, reverse the steps. Reconnect all electrical components and the door cable, then align the panel and firmly press it back into place, ensuring all clips engage. Test the window and door handle functionality before fully securing everything. For more great tips and product recommendations, like upgrading your cleaning routine with a voice-controlled robot vacuum, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.